My baby, this is Lita Beta Bota Butt. She is so old and so fragile. Anybody to make fun of her has to be insane. This is my baby that I will take care of until she dies. I love her. She is my everything. Her and Emerald Jade Greenball. Lita Beta Bota Butt is my everything. She may be old and fragile, but you know, every body and every human and every animal, they're born and then they get old and die. People is like this. They get old and fragile. Every human will be like this, old and fragile, if they live long enough. Just think about it. If you live long enough, you'll be old and fragile just like her. Animal and human are the same. We are all the same.